Hello, good day everyone. Welcome back to my class. I'm your teacher Samia Miss. Assalamualaikum. So class, now we are going to revision the name of our national fruit, flower, fish, bird and animal. Okay, so class, let's start. Do you know? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, what's this? Yes, this is water lily. This is water lily. Yes, it's our national flower. So class, the name of our national flower is water lily. Very good. Okay, now class, tell me. Oh, I'm so scared. This Royal Bengal tiger. Yes, the name of our national animal is Royal Bengal tiger. Oh. Good job, everyone. So, it's our national animal. And the name of our national animal is Royal Bengal tiger. Very good. Now, class, tell me, what's this? Yes. Oh, it's magpie robin. It's our national bird. It's magpie robin. So class, the name of our national bird is very good. It's magpie robin. Very good. And dun, 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 dun. It's our national fruit. Do you know what's this? Yes, this is jackfruit. This is jackfruit. The name of our national fruit is jackfruit. Very good. Good job, everyone. Now, class, tell me, what's this? Broom, 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 broom. It's our national fish. It's our national fish. This is hilsa fish. This is hilsa fish. Very good. So class, the name of our national fish is Hilsa fish. Good job, everyone. Fantastic. So class, revision this topic at home. Now, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu